So this is green sort number 14, and we're still looking at syllable junctures, where the syllables in a word meet and what happens to the vowel. And so we've looked at this pattern, VCV, where the syllable juncture is between the C and the V, and we get a short pattern, short vowel sound at the beginning. And here we have VCV, where we have a vowel and then the syllable break. And so we have an open syllable here and a closed syllable here. And today we're going to introduce a new pattern, and we'll talk about that. So let's look at the ones. First of all, I'm going to ask for the bold words, and they're going to lay these out. And I'm going to say, from what we've learned before, where do you think these go? And someone's going to say, well, this is human. And because it's long, I'm going to put it here. And someone's going to say this one's never. And so I'm going to put it here. And I'm going to say, and what do you notice about this word? And they're going to say, oh, this one has two vowels. And I'm going to say, is the syllable break between the two vowels, or did those two vowels make one sound? Say the word and stretch it out. Reason. We definitely hear the E, but that sound is made by the EA. We call that, when two vowels go together to make a sound, a vowel team. And we just make the V symbol twice to show that it's a team, two of them. So we're looking for those three patterns. One of them is makes a short sound, two of them make a long sound. So then they're going to just start laying them out and telling me what is the vowel team. This is easy, and it's got a vowel team, EA. This is meeting, and it has a vowel team, EE. Here's another EA. We'll put it with this one, leader. And then this one comes up, and it's second. And this is lemon. This is planet. And this is finish and visit. And 7, they're sort of in order. Now this one's tricky because present or present. So let's set that one aside and just look at the other ones for a minute. River. There's frozen. You can hear the O hanging out by itself. Humor. Music. Pilot. Student. Lazy. Here's another vowel team. EA seems to be really popular here. We've got peanut and sneaker. And here we have another one that could be tricky because it could say minute. It could say minute, or it could say minute. It could say minute, or it could say minute. And we have wagon. So this one is going to be here, wagon. And in this case, last time we learned that in water, W made the A say an ah sound, but it doesn't in wagon. Just makes its regular old A short sound. So that makes it a little unusual because W usually affects that. So here when you talk about these two words, you're going to notice that the two pronunciations are different, and they have different meanings, but they are spelt the same. So these are called homographs when the spelling, how the writing looks, is the same, even though the words might be said differently and they might have different meanings. So if I present you to my friend, may I present my friend Lucy, then I would put it here as an oddball. But I would put it here because it's present. But if I give a present, I'm going to put it here. So I'm noticing that it's an oddball for that. And the same with minute. If it was minute, it would be here. If it was minute, it would be here. And so those two we're going to just put as oddballs because they have two different ways of reading them. They are homographs, same writing but different ways of reading those words.